LPIC-3 Mixed Environments 300 to 300 exam dumps questions are newly cracked, which are the latest version for you to study. Share some LPI 300 to 300 exam dumps questions here. 1. To properly configure a Samba server to be a primary domain controller, PDC, what configuration option must be set to yes? A. Domain master. B. Log level. C. Local master. D. Local logon. 2. How can you securely store and manage CIFS credentials on a Linux client? A. By storing credentials in plain text files. B. By using password managers that integrate with CIFS. C. By using encrypted configuration files or keying systems. D. By not storing credentials and entering them manually each time. 3. What is true about the Homes section in smb.conf? A. It is a template used for all home directories of users on the Samba server. B. Users can access their home directory only by accessing the share with the name homes. C. It is a template used for all user-created shares on the Samba server. D. The maximum number of homes shares per used can be limited using the parameter usershare max homes. 4. How can consistent UIDs and GIDs be assured on several Unix, Linux systems that are sharing information over protocols other than SMB, CIFS, for example NFS? A. By specifying a common open LDAP IDMAP backend in smb.conf. B. By specifying a common Kerberos realm in smb.conf. C. By specifying a common domain name in smb.conf. D. By specifying a common password server in smb.conf. E. By specifying a common winbind ID range in smb.conf. 5. When Samba is configured for local user management, how are user credentials typically stored? A. In plain text files on the server. B. Using the Samba Admin Center. C. In a separate Active Directory domain. D. In an encrypted Samba password database. 6. What is the purpose of automatically locking an account after failed login attempts? A. To prevent users from accessing shared files. B. To discourage users from logging in. C. To enhance security by preventing brute force attacks. D. To force users to reset their passwords. 7. What is the purpose of the testparm command in Samba? A. It tests the network connectivity of Samba servers. B. It tests the performance of Samba shares. C. It checks the syntax of the smb.conf configuration file. D. It tests the functionality of Samba's printing services. 8. What is the function of Samba eventlog shipping? A. It synchronizes event logs between Samba servers. B. It forwards event logs to a central monitoring system. C. It compresses event logs for archival purposes. D. It generates new event logs for troubleshooting. 9. After configuring a Unix client to authenticate with a Microsoft Active Directory server, login attempts are unsuccessful. Which of the following is most likely the cause? A. Unix client support is disabled in the Active Directory configuration. B. The PAM library is searching the directory with the default search filter. C. The slapped daemon is not running on the client. D. The user account in the Active Directory has the remote login setting disabled. 10. What is the purpose of enabling the LDAP recycle bin in Samba? A. It recovers deleted files from shared directories. B. It restores deleted user accounts and group memberships. C. It prevents users from deleting files in Samba shares. D. The recycle bin feature is not related to LDAP.